Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. From this particular session, we will be discussing some concepts related to strings in Java. Now, when it comes about strings, why do we need strings? Many times, it may happen that you need to have data which is what we can say is alphanumeric data, right? So when you need to store alphanumeric data, you cannot store that data in numeric data or any other type of data, right? So when you need to store such elements, such data, then we can make use of strings. First of all, let's understand what do we have in strings. So string is reference data type. We have seen that in Java there are two types of data. One is primitive, another is reference. Reference data member, which will be initialized with by the user whenever alphanumeric or just text data needs to be stored. This is how string is represented in Java. It is a predefined class in java.lang package, which is a default package in Java. This string class is created and all its methods, constructors are available in this particular string class. So in this way, it is a predefined class. So when we are using this particular string in our application, we need to create object. How to create object, how it is internally stored, obviously this we will be discussing in forthcoming sessions. Now how strings are stored actually in the memory whenever we are using it in Java application is strings are stored in the form of character array. So whatever string I'm creating, internally it is converted in the form of an array, and the data type of that array, what type of data is stored in that array, is nothing but character. So in short, internally strings are stored in the form of character. So in short, strings are stored internally in the form of character array. Now let's see how strings are stored in memory. So whenever we are creating string or whenever string object is created, internally two objects are created. One object in heap area and another object in the string constant pool, which is also termed as string pool. Okay. Now how these internally being stored, that we will be discussing in forthcoming sessions. However, the string object reference always points to the heap area object. It will not point to the string pool data. Okay? It will always point to the heap area object. So whatever reference we are creating, that will always point to the heap area. So these are the basic things related to strings. In further sessions, we will continue the discussion about the strings.